Hello, and thank you for your interest in our work. My name is Vasileiou, and I work as a postdoctoral fellow in Johns Hopkins Hospital Department of Neurology. In this project, our goal was to explore the effect that socioeconomic status exerts on disease progression in people living with multiple sclerosis. So let's get started. First, a special shout out to my mentor, Kate Fitzgerald. Without her, this project would not have been possible. Alright, so what is socioeconomic status, or SES? It is a combination of financial, educational, and occupational influences that directly interacts with individual health, and it has been associated with multimorbidity and a pro-inflammatory phenotype. In the limited studies that have explored SES in correlation with MS progression, lower SES was associated with increased MS incidence and a higher risk of disability progression. So our study aimed to build upon already existing studies using a widely diverse US-based cohort and a highly sensitive imaging tool, the optical coherence tomography. SES was calculated using multiple neighborhood level and participant level indices. So the main question would be, is SES a predictor of disease progression in MS? And if so, do comorbidities or therapeutic discrepancies have anything to do with the observed results? Let's see. After categorizing people into quartiles, with more disadvantaged participants being in the highest quartile and more privileged ones being in the lowest quartile, we noticed a higher percentage of African American and female participants in the most disadvantaged group. What we saw was that living in a more disadvantaged neighborhood, having lower income, and less year of education, all were strongly correlated with increased retinal layer atrophy, which has been very well associated with brain atrophy and future disease progression. This was even true when we adjusted for multiple concomitant disorders, demographic, and clinical characteristics. Same results were seen after using visual acuity as a more definite clinical outcome. So could this faster inner retinal layer thinning be explained by differential therapeutic approaches? Are these MS patients undertreated, and is this the reason they exhibit faster disease progression? Well, to our surprise, we saw that disadvantaged participants exhibited faster therapeutic escalation and were on higher efficacy treatments compared to the rest of the participants. Now let's explore the effect that socioeconomic status has on new comorbidity development during follow-up, as we know that comorbidities are a significant risk factor for faster disease progression. More disadvantaged participants had almost twofold risk of new comorbidity development compared to more privileged participants. So to conclude, in this study we found evidence that socioeconomic status is associated with faster retinal neurodegeneration independent of treatment. We also saw that these participants are in greater risk of developing new comorbidities. So why do we think this knowledge is so important? Even though the pathophysiologic origin of the observed finding is yet to be established, it is very important to know that these participants are in greater risk of a faster disease progression, and maybe early management of all the additional preventable risk factors plus early and appropriate therapeutic management may help limit this inequality. Thank you so much for your attention and have a great day.